she feels so lonely when she's surrounded by her friends, and she wonders if she even really likes them. But the quiet of her phone, yet another night alone, can be drowned out by the constant television. She can feel the silent sting of the absence of a ring. Evenings filled with endless cleanings help the lack of feeling, something there to fill the time. Maybe she can wash away all the things she's come to hate about